LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts. Notice, the repair process is different for every laptop model. At LaptopInventory.com, we have created a database with thousands of free laptop repair videos. Simply go to LaptopInventory.com. Select your laptop brand, series and model, and find the exact repair video for your laptop. Remove the laptop battery. Remove the screws. Remove the cover. Gently pry out the hard drive. Remove the screws from the hard drive caddy. Remove the caddy from the hard drive. Slide the hard drive back in the laptop. Place the screws back in. Put it back in place. That's all. You just replaced your laptop hard drive. LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts.